Hi everyone, how are you? Miss Susie here from English and Kindergarten. So, most of us have been talking about the farm and the farm animals because we know the old MacDonald song, remember? Old MacDonald have a farm. And we know that song, I know we have sang it. But we have to talk about something else. So I'm gonna show you some exercises for that kind of class, alright? So, this is a farmer. Can you see it? This is a farmer. And we're gonna milk a cow like a farmer. So we're gonna go grab like this. Milk a cow like a farmer. Can you do it? Milk a cow like a farmer. Awesome. Then we also got a tractor. This is a tractor. And we're gonna drive like a tractor. Alright, so we go like this. We can go rumble, rumble, rumble. Very good. Then we got, you know what is this. We all know what's this. This is a chick or a chicken. And we're gonna flap our wings like a chick. Are you ready? We're gonna go like this. Flap your wings like a chick. Awesome, very good. Now we're gonna, oh, what is this? Sorry. What's this? Yes, this is a hen. And we're gonna sit like a hen on her nest. Are you ready? So if you're sitting down, you go like this. Sit like a hen on the nest, like this. All right, very good. Then we got, what's this? Yes, this is a pig or a piggy. Awesome. We're gonna roll like a pig in the mud. And we're gonna go like this and like this. You can do it on the floor, but we're gonna roll like a pig in the mud. Roll, roll, roll. Awesome. Very good. What's this? Oh yes, this is a barn. And we're gonna stand still like a barn. Alright, great job. Now we got this. What's this? This is a duck. Very good. This is a duck. We're gonna waddle like a duck. Waddle like a duck. So we're gonna go like this. Waddle like a duck. Alright, very good. What's this? This is a cow. And we're gonna jump like a cow eating grass. Look at my mouth. We're gonna go like this. You can also make this sound. Yes, like that. Like moo. Oh wait. Jump. Alright. What's this animal? Yes, everyone. This is a goat. This is a goat. And we're gonna trot like a goat. So we're gonna go. You got it on your hand, you can go like this. Awesome. Trot like a goat. And what's this? This is hay. Hay. These are the things that animal eats. So this is food. And we're gonna jump over bales of hay. So we're gonna jump. And jump. Jump the hay, guys. Jump and jump. Awesome. And this is wheat. Wheat. All right. And we're gonna wave like wheat in the wind. So we're gonna go like this. Wave like wheat in the wind. Wave. Awesome. Oh, this is my favorite. This is a horse. Of course, and we're gonna gallop like a horse. Are you ready? Okay, so let's gallop. Faster! Awesome. Let's remember them, okay? So this is a farmer, and we're gonna milk a cow. All right. Tractor. Drive. Chick. Flop. Stand tall. Duck. Waddle. Waddle. Cow. Jump. Goat. Trot. Hay. Yump. Yump the hay. Awesome. Wheat. Wave. Like a weed. Wave. And my favorite. Gallop like a horse. Gallop. Awesome. Very good, guys. So that's a great exercise. Very good. If you like it, let me know why.